Welcome to the Keegan Precast in Rathmalline, County Meath, and to our modern facility where we design and manufacture precast twin wall and filigree floor slabs. Our in-house team of engineers and draftsmen design and draw all precast elements for manufacture at our state-of-the-art facility. We use a drawing and detailing package specifically tailored to work with the CAD and CAM nature of the carousel process. Every item for casting into the panels, inclusive of the reinforcement and lattice girders, is detailed at this stage. All of the design calculations carried out by our in-house engineers are also included into the 3D model created by our draftsmen. Once complete and signed off by the design team of the client, the model is now electronically sent into the host computer of the factory. The electronic information describing the 3D model is received by the factory and is sent electronically to the plotting station, where each concrete element is marked out on the steel pallet. This data includes, as well as the panel shape, any cutouts and cast-in items such as electrical boxes and conduit. Magnetic shutters are sent through a cleaning machine to ensure high quality tolerances on the edge of the panels. The shutters are then placed in position along the plotter line. Electrical boxes or any other cast-in items are glued to the steel pallet. The pallets and shutters receive a final coating of release oil, and any small joints are sealed to prevent grout loss and ensure the final panel is of the highest quality. At the next station, the reinforcement cover spacers are placed. The pallet is then moved along to our fully automated robotic steel machine. At this station, the steel is drawn from the coils, cut, bent and placed in the detailed locations as per the 3D model created in the drawing office. The detail of the steel reinforcement for each panel is sent electronically from the drawing office to the automated steel machine. This ensures the accurate placement of steel reinforcement. Any links required for hidden beams within the wall or floor are also bent at this stage and fitted to the panel. The lattice girders, which hold the two walls together, are cut to length and placed at this station. The pallet is then moved to the next station where the steel is tied and the lifting hooks fitted. Any conduits or extra cast-in items are also placed at this stage. The insulation, which can be seen here, complete with the pull-trudded carbon fibre wall ties, is measured for size at the station to be placed later when the concrete is poured. Plastic-coated steel rockets are placed at set intervals to ensure the two concrete skins of twin wall are kept evenly apart to the required thickness. Concrete is then ordered by the operator from our fully automated batching plant, accredited to EN 206 for concrete quality. The concrete for our precast facility is manufactured on site. All of the aggregates used in the production of the concrete are manufactured on our own sites, with the fine concrete sand being produced and washed at our sand and gravel site. All ingredients for the concrete are batched automatically, mixed thoroughly and placed in our concrete spreader. The concrete spreader collects the concrete from the plant and places an even spread of 40 Newton concrete on the reinforced steel on the pallet. Air is removed and the concrete compacted by our computerized pallet oscillating platform. This process guarantees a high strength concrete with a high quality finish. This completes the production of the first skin of the twin wall. The first skin is sent to the heated curing chamber under the control of the host computer. This curing chamber can hold up to 36 pallets, all of which are individually tagged by the host computer to be immediately recallable when required. The following day, manufacture of the second skin begins. It will pass through all of the stations as with the first skin until it stops at the concrete shaking station, where it sits and waits to be joined with the second skin. The computer automatically removes the first skin from the curing chamber and the Volleret turning crane turns the first skin over and places it in the wet concrete of the second skin. Both skins, now on a single pallet, are sent back into the curing chamber to cure sufficiently to demould. After sufficient curing, the now twin wall panel is removed from the storage chamber by the rack operator. The high quality panel is placed on a tilting table which stands the panel upright to ensure that no damage occurs while demoulding. The twin hoist crane removes the panel from the pallet. The panel is then placed onto one of our custom-made transport stillages. Filigree floor slabs are removed directly from the pallets and placed on a trailer for delivery to site. The panels are then removed from the factory and delivered to site for installation.